For those of you who asked me about the breakfast I sent outside. So guys, this is the recipe I'm bringing out. Check in my inbox, down below. You see it. I'll list everything there. You see the oats, you see the almond seeds, you see the walnut, and here is mix. So after putting everything into the blender, so it's now I'll add banana. I forgot to show you. I'll put banana inside. I need to add banana there. Banana is very, very healthy. It's also good in our body, filled with all these antioxidants. And if you take banana all the time, it's good for your system. Help it to go to the loo easily. So I'll add banana. I'm doing it a lot because it's for the whole family. That's why I'm doing it like this. So I add 3 banana inside, so it will really be a lot. It will be a lot. So guys, let's start to blend it now. Let's blend it all together and see how it looks like. Your noise is normal, so the noise is okay. Stop it now and see how it looks like in the glass. Wow, so there is my glass. So let's serve it, guys. Let's serve it. It's time to serve. See how it is. So let's serve it and put the blender aside. Serve it. And wow. So we need to do some deco on it. Wash my hands, guys. So I need to do some decoration on it, so you see how it goes. I hope you guys can see. I don't know. I hope you guys can see. See now. I think you can see it now. Good. So let's do the decoration on the I want to show you guys what I did. Need to add some cranberry and some blueberries. So here I'm adding my berries inside. Oh God. see it. What are we doing? So these berries are very healthy, so I want everyone to be eating berries. All the berries, cranberry, blueberry, you know. I bought the frozen one and it has melted, so it's what I'm using to put it inside. So people ask me, what is it making to be red like that? So you top it up, because my hubby wants to eat a lot, so I need to top it up for him. Okay, so you guys will see me. So he needs more of the berries, so we I also need more of the berries because I love it. Berries are very healthy, so taking it, there's nothing bad in it. So we involve that. So this is how it will be going down like this. With time you see it setting down until all will become so yummy taste that if you mix it all together, you love it. So this is all about what I did. So guys, it's so amazing. If you eat this one as if you take it as breakfast, you know that the whole day you will be fuller. The whole day, I'm telling you, you won't feel like eating anything more when you do this one, because everything's inside. So make sure you go for it. I mean, just give it a try. Oatmeal are very healthy. Actually, they don't have too much fiber in it, so just always go for oatmeal. Put banana inside, put almond milk, and not almond milk, the almond himself will produce the milk. So you can see how creamy it is. So the almond himself produces the milk. So go for it. Go for the brain. I always call it the brain because it's written, you can see this, that it's brain. Walnuts. Walnuts are very healthy. Go for walnuts. Take walnuts. Take the almond nuts. You should just like everything nuts. You can also, if you like, also add chia seeds inside. It's also healthy. So guys, go for the natural things and take them. They're so healthy that once you are taking it every day, you will love your skin, you love your sugar level, you love your blood will be so clean. I mean, just try them. Go for it. Don't be wasting your time, you know, all this that you go and buy and you eat. I always say, do it yourself. That's my own DIY. Do it yourself. Doing it yourself is the best. I'm telling you. Whatever you prepare yourself and you eat is the best than going for roadside to buy it. Don't know what is inside. But when you do it yourself, you know what to put inside. That's why you are consuming them. Trust me, these days, things that they sell on the streets, they sell on everywhere people go and buy. I'm not that I'm just talking that like I have bought some and I've found some things inside. So it doesn't worth it. Go to the shop. All what I just show you like this. I bought it and I've used it more than, let me say, 6 times, and it's still there. But when you go and buy one time, what you spend to buy once and you take, you can use that money, you buy and you keep on using it maybe for a month. So why not go for it? Even the blueberry, all the berries I bought, they're frozen ones. You can also buy them, and keep on using them. So I can show you the berries. Wait, let me bring the berry for you to see, guys. I just want to show you. See what I use. This is it. I hope you guys will see it. This is what I use. So guys, don't waste your money to buy all those street things. You can do it yourself. Do it yourself and you love it. Okay? So thank you guys so much for watching this video, and would also request me to do it. I appreciate you all so much. Shout out to everyone that watch my videos. I just love you guys so much. And for my membership people who join my membership, I'm so excited, and say from the bottom of my heart, thank you so much. And for those who are thinking, oh, should I join? Please join. You can enjoy more DIY from me. So join the family. Let's rock it together, okay? Thank you so much. I just say shout out to Ima Olerum for the amazing work that she's doing. I just said keep on doing what you're doing. And Ima Olerum, if you haven't checked Ima Olerum channel, go and check her channel. Ima Olerum, go and check her channel. She's doing amazing work there, and guys, connect and keep on connecting. Thank you so much. And don't worry that I didn't mention your name. Next video, your name will be inside, okay? Thank you so much, amazing people. I love you guys so much, and stay tuned. As I always say on my last video at the end, that Shalom means that peace is still.